I'm Carmine. I work for Sonar here in Zurich, and today I will talk about dog fooding. So something that you maybe practice but you really like hear about. So slides will soon start. Let's imagine you are a dog food company. So you basically produce dog food, when you are satisfied. You're satisfied if you actually satisfy your customers, if you make a great product, but you're truly satisfied if you make something you would even feed your own dogs. And that's how back in 1970, Lon Green was used to advertise a popular dog food brand, saying that he would have used to feed his own dogs with his food. There are even more convincing way of doing that. We had the president of the Calcam Pet Food that was used to joke at the annual shareholder meeting, saying that he would have eaten a can of the company's dog food. But regardless of its genesis, the software industry has adopted the term dog food to mean that a company is using its own product. It's not just about testing. It's really about integrating the product into the daily workflows, into the crucial daily workflows. At Sonar, we don't sell dog food. We are a company that helps developers with assessing code security and code quality. And we use our own product to dog food what we do. So imagine that we are developing a feature on a feature branch, and our tool raises a few maintainability and reliability issues. Well, we can't merge to the main branch unless we fix those issues. At the same time, if our tool is unavailable for some reason, so if it has a bug, the whole company is affected by it because no one is actually allowed or can actually merge the new contributions to the master branch. But how does dog fooding help us? So first of all, we are forced to continuously innovate our product. We are developers using our own product to develop it, meaning that if we see quality gaps, if we see something that does not work in our quality check, we need to fix it. At the same time, if there are bugs, we are the first that are impacted by it. So it's very likely that we might encounter bugs before the customer do. So we can be more on a proactive side rather than on a reactive mode. And at the same time, we can foster awareness about the newest product features within the company, simply because everyone in the company is living our product, is living the new features that we provide. Coming to the bad part, to the challenges, imagine that you are on the day of the release, you decide to dog food a bit, and you discover that one of your crucial features actually does not work as intended. Well, you need to basically postpone the release. Our approach here is to continuously deploy the changes that we make on the main branch of our product in our dog fooding instance. And in this way, we can continuously dog food and we don't end up doing it on the last day. Another challenge is, there are, of course, when a service is down, your first reaction is try to restore it without clearly identifying the bug. But in this way, you basically defeat the purpose of dog fooding, right? So what we do at Sonar, we treat product defects as incidents. We treat our dog fooding instance as a production instance. And so if there are issues with it, for us, it's like a red light, we need to fix it. Despite doing a great dog fooding, we can't cover all the bugs that the other 7 million developers using our tool might encounter. So the message here is that dog fooding alone is not enough. We, of course, need to complement it with other traditional testing techniques. And we should actually even expand more the ways to gather feedback from the customers. There is one last challenge that is about how to actually turn dog fooding into actionable insights or into actionable tasks. There are some bugs that are not clearly actionable into tasks, as well as improvements that might be debatable. What we do at Sonar is to leverage our internal forum, where actually we collect feedback that we receive from the dog fooding instance. And everything that we turn into improvements or bug reports are always out of a discussion. That's a wrap. Today I talk about dog fooding. I'll show you how this helps us, the challenges. If you want to chat more about it, please find me after the talk. Thank you.